It seems like that lah, because the female are much more stressor rather than the male. However, we need to look into the stress level in terms of the independent sample t-test. This one, independent sample t-test. How to read this table? There are two rows. You can see this is the first row, equal variance assume, and there is another row, equal variance not assume. Which row you want to choose? Which row you want to choose is depend on this table, Levine test for equality of variance. If you saw the significant value 0.265, it's already more than 0.05. Therefore, you don't choose the lower row. That means you need to choose the first row. Based on this, you choose the first row or second row? First row, because it's more than 0.05. Therefore, we assume that the variance is equal or the variance is similar. Therefore, we need to choose the first row. When you choose the first row, therefore you focus on the first lah. So the t statistic will be minus 1.400. So you have to put that one as your t statistic here. Minus 1.400. So what about your p-value? Your p-value, your degree of freedom is 22. You can put also your degree of freedom if you want lah. And then you can put also your p-value. Your p-value is 0.176. 0.176. So I want to ask you, 0.176 is more than alpha or less than alpha? More than alpha. Yes, very good. If more than alpha, you reject or fail to reject your null? Very good. How you know? Why you so clever? Oh, yeah, correct. Because you're so clever, right? Therefore, you fail to reject your null hypothesis. When you fail to reject your null hypothesis, what is your conclusion? Ya Allah, pandainya. You are so clever lah. How you so clever? Because you eat a lot of kismis already, I think. Yeah, very good. Therefore, you need to make a conclusion like this. There is no significant difference of the stress score between gender or between male and female at the level of significant p is equal 0.05 where the t statistics is equal to minus 1.400 and the p-value it's equal to 0.176, right? The mean of male indicate lower level as compared to female. However, these data are not however, the statistical significance shown no different. That's mean, as I said to you before, you can see the female indicate the stress level 12 point something, right? But the male is 9 point something, right? So perhaps you might want to say that, oh, see, Mr. Aizat, you can see the female are much more higher level of stress as compared to the male. But you must remember, ladies and gentlemen, the result is significant or not significant? Not significant. That means if you say the female is stressed, male also stressed. Same. That means there is no different. 9 or 12, same. When you feel stressor, another age or another gender also feel stressor. That's mean there is no different. Faham tak? First row or second row? Okay, I make a repeat.